What if you could turn your current door lock into a smart door lock without dismantling your door? GymDial is easy to install. It's peel and stick, so all you have to do is stick it on your door and you're ready to go. This is GymDial, the world's best no-install smart lock. With GymDial, there's no need to dismantle your door and pay lots of money for a smart door lock system. Each GymDial comes with a wireless keypad, so you can get in without reaching for your phone. Or you can create temporary access on scheduled days. You can also give your Airbnb guests a temporary access key that's all controlled from the app. You can give your delivery man access so they can drop off your packages securely. GymDial gives you the capabilities of seeing who's been coming in and out directly from the app. Never worry about hacking and breaches with GymDial's AES 128 encrypted Bluetooth. And during emergencies, you're still able to unlock your door with a mechanical. GymDial is perfect for apartments, Airbnb, your office, and even when you're out of town. Make your lock smart and get your hands on the GymDial today.